Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your like post on Threads. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Thread application and click on profile in the right bottom. Then you simply need to click on two bars on the top right. From here you need to click on account and click on download your information, and it will redirect to this page, and you need to select your Instagram account that is connected with your thread. So request a download and select the account, and once you click on that, you select account, click on next, and from here you need to select account type of information. Scroll down and here you need to select the threads, click on next, and here you can see you need to wait, and after that you have this option and click on download. Here you need to enter your password. So once you enter your password, you have your download ready in your email like this, and you simply need to click on download your information, and you have the information from where you can see your like post in Threads. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.